Ladies, let's review synthetic division of polynomials. When we use synthetic division, it's important to look at what you're dividing by, and you can only use synthetic division when you are dividing by 1x plus a constant. And let me say that again, 1x to the first plus a constant. So with the synthetic division, we're dividing by x plus 2. And go ahead and solve that for x. X is equal to -2. So with our synthetic division, we are using -2 as what we are dividing by. Now recall, with synthetic division, we only list the coefficients of the polynomial, remembering to leave space markers or place markers for terms that are missing. We start with the value that has the highest exponent and take its coefficient. X to the third's coefficient is 1. There's no x squared term, so we will put a 0 place marker. The next term is -7x. The coefficient is -7. The next term is -6. So we will list -6. Notice, let's check, we have x to the first, x to the we have 1x to the third, 0x to the second, -7x to the first, -6. And now we're ready to complete the synthetic division. We begin by bringing down the first coefficient 1 and then multiplying. 1 times -2 is -2. So we bring down the first coefficient and then multiply by -2. We go to the second column and we add 0 plus -2, which is -2. Now we will multiply again. -2 times -2 is 4. Add these terms. -7 plus 4 is -3. Now we'll multiply. -3 by -2 is 6. -6 plus 6 is 0. Now, in order to get our final polynomial, we take these coefficients and put them back in as coefficients of terms. This final term is our remainder, our constant, the coefficient of x to the first, the coefficient of x to the second. So our polynomial is 1x to the second minus 2x minus 3. Remember, whenever using synthetic division, you may only be dividing by 1x to the first plus a constant. You set that value equal to 0 and solve for x. This is what you are dividing by. You list the coefficients of each term in descending order according to the powers, listing any place markers. Bring down, multiply, and then add. You take your final coefficients, and the rightmost coefficient is your remainder, constant, x to the first, x to the second, and so on. And here is our final polynomial. I hope this helped you with your review of synthetic division.